Let's talk about dashboard setup. A lot of people ask me about my dashboard and want to know what I have done to it, what product I use to put the gauges in. But real quick, this is a 70 Chevelle SS dash. It would have had the 3 gauges in the center. Those have all been cut out, and these have been put in place with this billet insert. Unfortunately, this billet insert is no longer sold. I can't remember the company's name, but I've tried to look them up and I cannot find them. But that's how I'm installing my gauges. Got all the basic, gauges needed. Pretty straightforward, but yeah, it looks good. Unfortunately, it's hard to replicate because no one makes that cluster anymore. From there, we've got a Alpine Halo 9 touchscreen deck. Get a lot of questions about this deck and how, what I did and, just everything about it. It's a great deck. It is inserted. It's got a single den that's inserted into where the hand controls would have been for the slide controls for the AC and heater unit from factory. So that's been removed, and that's where the single den is sticking to place that deck currently where you see it. Just a nice, just really nice. Glare's not too bad. It's got a glare right now with this camera, but the glare's not bad at all when you're going down the road and seeing everything. Since I don't have controls where they used to be, you see these knobs